An isolated measurement module is used for testing and evaluating power systems in industrial, telecommunications, instrumentation, and automated test equipment applications where multiple voltage and current measurements need to be made. These applications often have multiple positive and negative supplies that may be floating or referenced to different grounds. Measurements can be made using individual floating multimeters or multi-channel multimeters with per-channel isolation, but this is an expensive and complex setup. Analog Devices CN0548 is a galvanically isolated measurement module in an Arduino Shield form factor, with a plus or minus 10 amp bipolar or 14 amp unipolar current measurement input range, and a selectable voltage input measurement range with multiple unipolar and bipolar options from 16 to 80 volts. The module leverages the LTM2886 micromodule isolator to provide the isolation barrier and a SPI interface between the measurement and host sides. This also provides isolated power supplies for the other ICs on the module. The AD7798 low-noise Sigma Delta ADC has an on-chip instrumentation amplifier and provides 16-bit measurements for the voltage and current inputs, with adjustable bandwidth and rejection of 50 and 60 Hz line noise. The LT1997-2 Precision High Voltage Funnel Amplifier scales the input voltage to the input range of the ADC and has 38 unique attenuation factors that can be selected with jumpers. The AD8418A is a bidirectional high-voltage zero-drift current sense amplifier, measuring a bidirectional current range up to plus or minus 10 amps. The CN0548 interfaces to an Arduino-compatible platform board running a simple server application. Example Python code is provided for simple data logging and plotting of a single channel. The industry-standard libio interface enables cross-platform software development in C, C#, MATLAB, and other languages. The flexible input ranges, isolation from the host computer, and open software make the CN0548 an ideal solution for complex power system measurements. The setup allows the CN0548 to be configured for high-side or low-side current sensing while monitoring the supply voltage to the load. It can be used to monitor the negative 48 volt rails typically seen in telecom applications. It can also be used for grounded load high-side current measurements with supply voltages as high as 250 volts. The voltage measurement channel can tolerate plus or minus 250 volts at its inputs without damage, though the output will be saturated above 80 volts and won't produce a valid measurement. Analog Devices CN0548 Isolated High Voltage Measurement Module is available now on Mouser.com.